is basically I'm gonna go ahead and take the dash out here, take the whole dash out. I have some other stuff that I want to do. Let's kind of like zoom this out. I have they want to put like a little like I want to put one of the window switches here. I have to put the high beam switch here as well. I ended up moving it here compared to like, because before I had it in the switch panel, but I feel like it would be better here because the light switch is gonna be right here, so like it would just be, you know, kind of like working together. Thinking about putting my window switch here, but I'm still not decided fully how I'm going to do that. Or I might just put both of them here to make it more convenient. But we'll see. We'll go from there because I'm not too sure if the passenger side controls. Well, I would rather be to have the passenger side switch on the passenger side, ideally. But you know, it's either way. I think it'll work. So what I'm gonna do right now is gonna go ahead and take off this dash. Kind of have to like drop the steering wheel. I have to drop the steering wheel a little bit, and then take out the dash. Now I'm putting the dash on the side, and then I'm gonna go ahead and tidy up under the dash right here. So like most of these wires will be basically like in the middle and kind of tied it up. That's the plan. Mostly, and then so after that we'll go from there. So let me go ahead and get the tools, and I'll be right back. And we'll go from there. Pretty much, got the dash out. I kind of like cracked it a little bit, just a tad bit. I think when I put it back in, I'm gonna drop this the steering wheel all the way because it's kind of like, yeah. I could have just dropped it in the first place, but oh well. So I'm gonna go ahead and kind of like tidy up these wires here. So all this down here. Go ahead and take everything out right now. Mostly take out the dash harness right now, and then work from there. Then we're gonna route everything like one area, so I can block off these holes on the side because there's water coming in as well. Don't need that, and I don't want to put. I want to put in the red carpet, so definitely don't want water in that one. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish taking this stuff apart. From there, I'm gonna get the wire push. Harness out. What's left is basically just the brake lines. Those wires go to the ECU, so gotta clean that up as well. It's for the flex fuel and something else I don't remember. But so what I'm gonna do is try to run all the wires like on the top, kind of. I do have to fix that. It's one of those, that line down there that goes for the water. I have to fix that and route that back outside. This side is fine. But yeah, just as you see, those holes are kind of like huge, so I want to go ahead and weld those in, just because of the, it's too much too much like going on here. So there's a lot of water that can get in, as you can see, kind of like dirt and all that debris gets in here because of the So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do like a different. I'm gonna do a hole, but I'm gonna do a grommet in here. So I'm gonna see. One of these two is gonna be the permanent one, and then I'm gonna block off the other one. But I have like a grommet style that you can put inside of a hole. I'm not too sure if this is too big, or I have to make another one or use one somewhere down there. But we'll see. So I'm gonna leave this how it is right now, and then tackle the dash harness first, and then I'm gonna go ahead and come back to this afterwards. This is not too much of a job to tidy up. Just have to fix a couple things. But get the ignition. So I'm gonna go ahead and get up from here. I'll go show you guys what else I got going on, and then we'll go from there. So we're back again. I'm gonna go ahead and mark these holes. I made some brackets. I'll show you guys once I finish drilling this. I'm gonna mark the holes on the trunk so I can drill them and put rivets in there, and then gonna take this off and then paint the brackets. Well, I'm gonna make sure everything bolts down first, and then take this back off and then paint the brackets for it, and then it should be good to go. I'm gonna go in the inside of the car, mark the 2 holes in the front, and then come back out and then mark the 2 ones in the back. So I'm gonna just do a time lapse of that real quick. Got the brackets down. I went ahead and put rivets on the frame, so then those bolts just bolt into there. I kind of like the idea of rivets more. That's just me. So this is a flat bar. Nothing special. I bent this myself by hand to go like this. I kind of wanted the brackets to be kind of like offset, not directly down, kind of, because the trunk is not like completely flat. But yeah, she's pretty sturdy in there. Let me get you guys in here, get a footage. So that's how the front looks, the front mounts. So it's not going anywhere. Power stand pump, I can always mount it on the side, somewhere over here. That's the plan basically. So like on the side somewhere here. Yeah, so that should be good. I'm gonna go ahead and take this off, and then I gotta paint it. I'm gonna paint it like a gloss black, or sudden black, I mean, and then I can throw it in there for sure, and then it'll be good to go. I still have to clean out the bottom, but I can do that with that in there, but it's not a big deal. Or I might just do it before I put everything back in. But yeah, so go ahead and take this off, paint it, and I did get a new dash, so I might throw that in. We'll see.